Let us all give a warm welcome to Sony Valdez. A round of applause, please.
Yeah, in the meantime, and the stand-up by complete coincidence shares some secrets from my universe. Anyway, hello everyone. Let's closer. Yes. All right. Let's make a real-time chat with Django Channels, and yes, by Mr. Valdez. What is Django Channels? It is a Django library that allows for WebSockets, chat protocols, IoT protocols, and more. We can use synchronous and asynchronous programming, and it is event-driven architecture. This is the website, and as a heads up, I took the code there, the tutorial, and just made it into slides, so there's nothing special about this code. To learn here, to learn how to do Django channels, these are what we need. Basic Django knowledge, which I'm going to skip. You have no time for that. The internet, channel layers and channel group, WSGI and ASGI, and Redis. Hopefully, all of this sounds familiar to all. Because what is the internet? Well, the internet is just a series of tubes somewhere. It's abstracted to us. And when our computer tries to talk to the internet, we talk to something called a protocol, such as HTTP or HTTPS. If you're using WebSockets, that would be WebSocket, WS, or WSS. With Django channels, we're trying to talk to a consumer layer, which also talk to a channel layer. And the channel layer would talk to channel groups. This is how you communicate between different participants of each group. WSGI has been the default web server gateway for Django, as well as other web servers, and has been around since the year 2010. ASGI is the spiritual successor, and it allows for long-running communications such as WebSockets. Redis is a key-value database. It's in memory, so it's very fast and high availability. Well, as long as the cloud is alive, yes, high availability. Django Channel uses this as a backend. Very quick. That's all you need to make a simple program. So let's make a real-time chat with Django Channels. We're going to code the front end. And this is where everything's going to be scary. Well, I say scary, but hey, I can just copy paste. So, first thing you need to do, hopefully, you can see it very well. I can zoom in. There we go. So, pip install Django channels and channel Redis. We're going to pull the Redis. We're going to pull the Redis from Docker. By the way, this slides will be shared, so don't worry about it. And first thing we're going to do is create a project. Start Hopsy. I just need to type. That's all I need to do. Now, everybody here should know how to do Django projects, how to create. But if not, I would recommend the Django Girls tutorial. It's very nice and very clean. So first thing we're gonna do is try to put in chat. So I created an app called Chat. I can increase this a little bit. No, I cannot. I think that's good. Next, we're going to stay in settings. Those who already done the Django tutorials, this should be very familiar to you all. So we're going to go to install, and we're gonna put in chat. Now, I know that the two scoop of Django people are here, so I'm going to make this horrible for them and allow everyone. I can see that they're already raging on that. And well, believe me, so one of the things I suggest if you are learning something new is to type all the code. I already know how to do this, so I'm just going to do what a professional like me would do all the time, copy paste. So we have this and the URLs. Hopefully this is familiar for everyone. I'm not gonna copy paste that, and if I can type, because sometimes it's faster to type. I just realized that the constant refresh would be bothering everyone. Sorry about that. I didn't consider that when I created this. All right, so yeah, if only there's a plugin somewhere that has, some sort of tags for this, so it would be easier to live code and show off. But I can't, so I'm just gonna copy paste. It doesn't exist. I never seen it before. Make directory, chat templates, and the chat. And all this does is just create a lobby for chat room. So let's give this a try. Well, this is copy pasted and still run. I've been coding for more than 30 years and there have never been an instance in which nothing went wrong. Every time I code, something always goes wrong. It's not an experienced thing, it's everybody's problem. Um, oh, there we go, it now works. Let's create a new one and go to localhost 8000. Go into chat, and there we go. For those who have done Django tutorials, this is nothing special. Everybody does this. I will create a chat room called PyCon Davao, and of course, we haven't created the room, or rather the room for the chat, the views for that. Wait, have I skipped? No, I did not. Well, that is wrong. Huh. Anyways, let's create the room. I don't know why these three slides are up here. Yeah, apologies about the constant switching of the screen. But one of my special wrestling moves is called R-Tab. Anyways, what this chat room does is basically open a website and send a message. So it should be running, yes. Did I not save? All right. Refresh. Oh, I forgot the view. That's why. See, you think it would be easy, just copy paste, but I'm just gonna copy paste, never make that same mistake. Well, knowing my luck is gonna happen again. Oh, I'm gonna leave it that way. None of you seen that. And refresh. Here we go. And I can type in something like hello and nothing happens. That's fine. All we did is the front end. Now we're doing the back end. I'm a professional. Don't do the front end first before the back end. Or start with the back end. So we're gonna talk about consumers. But if you all remember, we have consumers over here, and that's what we're creating. For those who are used to Django, we have what is called WSGI, but we are special. We are doing ASGI. Oh, well, this is what happens if you play with your with your slides the day before because it's supposed to be this one. There we go. So we have an ASGI interface that says if it's an HTTP, we're going to create the application. It will make more sense later. Now, in in normal Django, you would use url.py. For Django channels, we're going to use something called routing. And it's a little bit strange because they're using RE Reddit spot, which I know for those who are used to the new tutorials, why are we using Reddits? Don't we have something better? That's an issue that hopefully somebody will fix in the future. They're not in this room, so let's just continue. All right. Refresh, of course, automated. We go here and refresh, don't forget, and say hi. I don't know found. I forgot to I forgot this setting. So I've installed Dapani. I forgot to add that. Yeah. Don't change your slides the night before. Mhm. You have not set an ASDI. How am I with time? Still good? All right, thank you. There we go. Now, one thing to take note is because we switched to ASDI and Tabni, this is what we're using. So let's run, reload, and say hi. Oh, no application configured for. Huh? No, I put that in. Ah, I did that, I did that. That will come later. PyCon Davao. Hello. It's not working because. Because I did not put in WebSockets here. So here in ASDI.py, we only looking for HTTP. And if you remember, we need web server. So HTTP, and we need to put in web server. That's what I accidentally deleted. Huh. Well, everybody look away. This is, yeah, none of you have seen this, cannot see this. There we go. Yeah. Can't believe I deleted that. You know what? Or copy paste all. Everything's going well. WebSocket URL. How am I in time? All right. So, blah, 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 blah. So there's going to be some settings here. We're gonna add the Redis. And we're going to start the Redis. Yes. So I don't have much time. Unfortunate. We're going to start a Redis server. 6379. And then I'm going to go to practice. This is something that I already did. And we're just now pretend that I did everything correctly. Ah. So, reload, and we have it working. Hi. And to prove that it's actually working, I'm going to create a new instance of this. Hello from the east. Hello from the west. And just to also prove even more that I'm not, this is a real demo and this is a real demo that actually works. I will enter a chat room called, no, the shadow realm without S. And here I then say something like, hi, I am exiled. And as you can see, from Davao and from Davao and from here in the shadow realm, you can see that they are not interacting because this one is its own channel and that one is on another channel. It's one of those things that basically proves that it works. Go good. Oh, right. I was supposed to rage bait someone, but so remember earlier that I put in a accept all. Well then, you should never put that in because why right? Why should we not put allowed host asterisk? Why? Because who knows what will appear here in the shadow realms? Um, it would be weird if things work. Doesn't? It doesn't work. Oh no. Well, that's it. That was supposed to be a joke. Somebody from the shadow realm was supposed to appear. Well, and that is my talk for now. How much time do I have? How much time? No more? All right, so deploy and final test. You run the server. Let other people to connect to your server, and what's the plan?